Hey everyone, today I've got a pair of Jordan 3 black cements from 1994 to restore. For almost 30 years, these have been unworn sitting in the box. The plastic heel tabs and polyurethane midsole have since crumbled, and they're going to need to be replaced. I'm going to be removing the sole stitching so that the rest of the crumbled midsoles can be cleaned off. To clean the rest of the old glue and midsole off, I'm going to tape off the uppers and use heat and acetone while being careful not to oversaturate the cotton balls. This is so that the acetone won't bleed under the tape onto the elephant print. Now that the old glue has been cleaned off, I'll be using new antidote and a UV light to reverse the oxidation on the soles. The replacement midsoles I'm going to be using are from a pair of Jordan 3s from 2022. The shape of these shoes have changed quite a bit since 1994, so I'll have to use a Dremel to sand these to fit. To reglue these together, I'm going to be using Barge Cement Superstick. Going to be applying a coat to each surface, wait 7 minutes, then I'll heat up both sides and bond them together. Now that the midsoles are bonded, I'm going to tape off the areas where I need to paint, then I'll be using an airbrush to apply the off-white paint mix. After this is done, I'll tape off the areas where the black paint needs to be, and I'll paint that as well. And after that, I'll apply a matte finisher. The midsoles don't fit flush with the uppers, so I'm going to have to sand them down to fit like I did with the soles. After sanding, I'm going to repeat the same process I did to reglue the soles for the midsole to the upper. I got these replacement heel tabs from Jay's Psychologist on Instagram and painted the Nike Air lettering to match the pair. I then sanded the back of the heels so that the glue can adhere better. This, along with stitching the toe caps, will complete the restoration. I couldn't get a good video of stitching the toe caps, so I'll include a link in the description to a video if you want to see how it's done. Just like that, the restoration is complete. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more restorations in the future.